Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Indian motorcycle key fob. Pretty straightforward process. I'm going to be using one of the replacement batteries. It takes a 2032. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. I'm going to be using a small Phillips head and then also a flat head as well. So at the top right here, just go ahead and unscrew this little screw right here. Take your Phillips head screwdriver. Realistically, you can use your fingers too, but screwdriver makes it that much easier. And you have access to the battery now. Take that same flathead and pop that out. As you can see, it's very delicate. New one goes in like so. Replace this and you can check it before you put your screw in. Give that a good squeeze. Make sure your red light's working and you're all set. Replace your screw and you're done. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.